welcome to Eating It Up. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite things to drink, and that is Chocolate Cortes. Now, Chocolate Cortes is actually a brand of a chocolate bar, and this chocolate bar is exclusively used to make hot chocolate. I absolutely love this. I was introduced to this by my mom when I was pregnant. What was that for? I had to have this every night for weeks. I was addicted. And now it's just a staple in my pantry. I always have this in there. To make this recipe, you're going to need some Chocolate Cortes. You're going to need evaporated milk, cinnamon, milk, Cool Whip, and a little bit of water. So, to get started, this chocolate, I find almost everywhere. If you're having a hard time finding it, try checking out a Spanish supermarket or the international aisle of your supermarket. So, when you open up the chocolate bar, it comes pre-measured in these bars. For this recipe, we're going to use 1.5 of these bars. So you just cut it down with a knife. So 1.5, so just cut one of them in half, just like that. And that's all you need for the recipe, and now we're gonna go and make it on the stove. So we have here our water that I have over medium flame, and we're gonna add the chocolate. And you're gonna let this melt, and you're just gonna kind of push it with the rubber spatula, helping it melt. It does take a couple of minutes, so be patient and just keep working it. With the rubber spatula, just keep working it until you see no more lumps. So our chocolate is almost completely melted. I'm not seeing any lumps. It smells so good and intensely chocolate. So at this point, we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. The evaporated milk. We're gonna add the milk and the cinnamon. And I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to a whisk, and I'm just gonna push that cinnamon into the milk and whisk it up. So at this point, the chocolate is ready. You just have to let it get as warm as you want it. So whenever it gets to the temperature that you desire, it's ready. So our chocolate is ready, and now the last step is to add some Cool Whip. This is an absolute must for me. Don't skimp, don't be cheap, put a lot. Quick tip, keep the Cool Whip in the freezer, and then it'll last longer on your hot chocolate. It won't melt as fast, and it'll create like this foam. It's so good. And then some cinnamon if you're obsessed like I am. It's so good, so cozy. Give this recipe a try. Remember to drink it with some cheese and crackers on the side. You know how we do. For the written recipe, go to my website, eatingitupblog.com. That'll be listed in the description bar down below. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.